In this video, I'm going to show you how to master the transpose command in Excel in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to convert rows into columns or columns into rows, this trick will save you tons of time and effort. Let's get started. The transpose command in Excel is incredibly useful when you need to rotate your data. Instead of manually copying and pasting, transpose does the job in few clicks. Here's an example of the data we'll be working with. First, I will show you how to use the simple copy and paste method to transpose the data. Select the entire dataset, right-click and choose Copy or press Ctrl C. Next, right-click on an empty cell where you want to paste the transported data. Select Paste Special and then choose Transpose, and your data has been rotated like this. Okay? Now let's look at how we can achieve the same result using a formula. Click on an empty area where you want the transposed data to appear. Type the formula as equals to transpose, open the parenthesis, select the range as B2 to F6, close the parenthesis. This assumes your data is in the range B2 to F6. After typing the formula, don't press enter. Instead, press Ctrl plus Shift plus enter. This makes it an array formula. And wow, now see your transposed data. Okay, here are a few things to keep in mind while using transpose. When using the transpose formula, the original data must remain unchanged. For large data sets, consider using the formula method as it updates dynamically. If you don't want your transpose data to be linked to the original, use the paste special method. And that's it. You have mastered the transpose command in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.